welcome back to the online class. Um as you can see here, a topic which is written playing fair. As you have seen a chapter day before yesterday that I have discussed about fair play, right? So what that mean fair play? Fair play means where you just keep your things trustworthy or a justice thing you are doing without being biased. Biased means एक तरफा होकर सोचना like if your friend is there then you will support your friend even if he is wrong. If you are a parent, if you are a child, or some means something which is very relatable, like if your friend is there, your parents are there, your relative member is there, you don't get biased. Instead of giving the justice answer or the justice thing, okay? So, playing fair means you have to be very disciplined, and you should obey the rules, regulation, and nobody matters while we are giving our verdict or saying anything in justice. Okay, whether they are your friends, family member, doesn't matter at all. If you stay positive and stay if you want to give any answer or justice thing, then you have to be not biased means एक तरफा होना. ठीक है? So here some strategies given of this chapter, playing fair. First you have to tell me what are the qualities. You have to give me the qualities of for getting success in sports. While participating in sports in your school, sports competition is holding, right? Then just tell me what are the qualities, what are the essential qualities needed for getting successful in sports. One is written there, determination, that how positively you participated, how much you love the game, how much you wanted to achieve the goal. That is called the determination. What are the other qualities that should have in a sportsman or sports person? What do you think? What can be? And why do you think each of these qualities is important? And if your answer is ready, what are the qualities? Then just tell me what are the things, what are the qualities you think, and why you think the quality should be important, is important. Okay. So I think I can leave it up to you. You can just okay, fine. I'll just give you the answer and you have to tell me why these qualities are important, okay? So, I have sorted out some qualities of being successful in sports, that positive attitudes, determination is given, positive attitudes, patience, self motivated, confidence, and the last one I thought about the discipline. Discipline is the most essential quality of a sports person, okay? So now I just want you to tell me why these qualities are important. Why you think positive attitudes, patience, self motivated, um, confidence and discipline or determination is very important to get successful in qualities. There are many. I just shorted some of the points, okay? So these are the thing I have told you the what qualities, and now you have to tell me why these qualities is important, okay? Now let's move to the chapter. It is about, let's see, it is about Mary Kom. We have started Unit 4 chapter in New Pathways, okay? And that the section is section 1. Mary Kom. Never say die, okay? Never say die. What does it mean? Means you can say never give up, or like when something is not possible, then never say that I'll die, I'll kill myself, I'll do something bad with me. So accept the change, accept the flaws, okay? And move positively, stay self motivated, and afterwards don't give up. So it is about a story which is written, means not written. It is a first we'll take a recap of Mary Kom and then we'll go to the chapter. Okay. So read about the only woman to become world amateur boxing champion for a for a record six time. For six time, Mary Kom was the world amateur boxing, like which keeps the loving nature for the sports, or we can say Sokhin. Okay, so this Mary Kom was really a true amateur. Okay, and she got six times boxing champion. Okay, she got six time boxing champion. Who got six time boxing champion? She was Mary Kom. Okay, who says never say die. Okay, and she was the good amateur. Let's see. People used to say that boxing is for men and not for women. Yeah, true. It is really true that people earlier thought that like boxing is not made for men. But now you can see how many come achieved and proved that it is also for the women. I thought I will show them someday. I promised myself and I proved myself. Yes, you know that. Once people believed that boxing was not made for men, not made for women, then afterwards, what she decided, she um, gave her best, and she recorded six times world boxing champion. Think about it, world amateur boxing champion six times. तो जहाँ people लोग सोचते थे कि boxing is not made for women, but she proved them wrong. Mary Kom, who has proved that with tenacity, okay, with tenacity and hard work, we can overcome obstacles, mistakes, and setbacks along the way. Means when we are doing our best, when we are working very hard, then afterwards we can achieve whatever we want, whether it is setback also. मीन्स ड्रॉबैक लाइक बुरा वक्त होना, उसके बाद भी वी कैन ओवरकम दैट एंड वी कैन अचीव वॉट एवर वी वॉन्ट. The journey has not been easy for Mangte Changni Zhang Mary Kom. Okay, what the name is? Full name of Mary Kom was Mangte Changni Zhang. Okay, Mary Kom, who has stormed her way into the predominantly male Batchian and shown the world that boxing is not just the man's domain. Means she proved predominantly, like she came in that field and proved that it is not only made for डोमेन में, मीन्स मैंस डोमेन, मतलब ये सिर्फ मर्दों के लिए नहीं, ये लड़कियां भी इसमें आगे बढ़ सकती हैं. शी मीन्स दैट, and she proved it very well, like achieving six times world champion record she made, you know. So after getting so many drawbacks, so many setbacks also, she achieved, and she with the tenacity and the hard work, she achieved everything. Okay, Mary Kom is a six-time world amateur boxing champion and the only woman boxer to win a medal in each of the seven world championships. Means in each seven world championships, she got a medal, gold medal. Okay, a medal nicknamed Magnificent Mary. Now everyone was really very happy with her performance, and she was declared as a Magnificent Mary. She became the first Indian woman boxer to get a gold medal in the Asian Games held in 2014 in Incheon. Incheon was a city. Okay, so in Asian Games, she got a first gold medal. Okay, first Indian woman who got gold medal for the boxing in Asian Games, which got held in 2014 in Incheon. Okay. Now, after we got the knowledge about the Mary Kom, I just want to ask you what are the things we have seen in this like about the Mary Kom, that how she proved everyone wrong, what were the setbacks, drawbacks, and how tenacity, with the tenacity and hard work, she overcome that all the setbacks, and he proved that boxing is not just for the man's domain. Means ये सिर्फ मर्दों के लिए नहीं, it is also made for the woman. It's made for all the sex, not only the one that is male. Okay, female also, male also can prove, can set their feet in that like domain also. Domain means kshetra. Okay, so we have seen that how Mary Kom like moved, and she was declared as a magnificent Mary in that afterwards, after achieving medals and all, giving her record in Asian Games also, which got held in 2014. Now let's read an interview where she talks about the position of women in India, her passion for sports. Okay, now we'll see a interview. You know about the interview, how in that reporters are asking some questions, okay, and the person whom we are asking the question, they give the answers. Like when I will ask you an question, um, not like that, it is just a class discussion. Means after having like a quite a quick we can say, or a rapid fire round, we can say, okay, sitting and getting information about their thoughts and their achievement, that is said to be an interview. Must have seen interview, right? तो इंटरव्यू एक हुआ मैरी कॉम का, एंड शी वॉज आस्क्ड सम क्वेश्चन, एंड शी told about Indian women position in India, and Mary Com's passion about the sport. Okay, let's see. Boxing was always considered a sport for men till you came around and broke the myth. What is the myth? ऐसा सोचा जाता है, just an imagination, that a sport for men, that all the sports are only made for men. Even in your school also, how many girls are participating in sports? I think uh, 10 to 20% girls are participating in that sports competition, but it should be at least 90%, or I think it should not be 90% remain, it should be 100%. Okay, but how much that has the scenario changed after that? Do you now see more women come forward and take up the sport proactively? Now, some reporter is asking that boxing to consider किया जाता है, it is not made for a woman. Now, just tell me, after your achievements, what do you think, whether women came forward after seeing you, after achieving means after getting achieved by so many things? What do you think, many women came in front or not? They participated in sports actively or not? So this question was asked by Mary Kom from an interviewer. Now, Mary Kom said that, I think we need to change our attitude towards the sport itself, not just women. As a nation, we lack enthusiasm in promoting sports people of both genders. Yeah, of course, like earlier from India also, there was not many like people were participating in Olympics or in sports things. Okay, they were not enthusiastic, like they were just participating, they were not determined कि मुझे ये करना ही है, they were just participating. So enthusiasm उनमें इतना energetic नहीं था, इतना खुशी नहीं था while participating in that sports. So they lacked that, and it is not the problem of only the women, it was the problem of both the genders. I don't mean to say that our authorities are not trying their best, but it is difficult task given the needs of developing country like ours and the sheer geographical size of India. like means the truth geographical size of India, that how many people are living here. There are much number of people, they are living in India, but how many the people are participating in sports? I think only the 40% people are participating in sports. We aren't doing enough to promote sport people in general as compared to other countries. In other countries, people are enthusiastically, they are participating in sport. But in our country, both the genders, not only the women, both the genders, even the male also not participating in sports actively. And this is like not only for the women, वो आगे आई हैं after getting achieved. um, After my achievement, many women came forward and they participated in such kind of sports. You know about Sania Mirza, you know about Mary Kom also, you know about वो Saina, so these are the people who are these are the women who came, who participated, and they are the truth, they are the true, we can say, our role model, so that we can participate in sports also actively. So there has been a sea of change in this scenario in recent past, but we still have a long way to go. It is good to see that a lot is being invested both in terms of money as well as time for other sports too, and not just cricket. Yeah, in cricket also you have seen our captain, woman captain, Indians woman captain in cricket was Mithali Raj, how she came forward, and along with that also many women are playing cricket, and they are just giving a lesson that how we came out of our house and just giving our best, and we are motivating you all the guys. So after reading this chapter, I just want you girls also, just not the girls but both the genders, here we are talking about both the genders, that both the genders should take actively participate in the sports competition. Because इतने आगे बढ़ने के बाद भी अभी और भी दूर जाना है, क्योंकि कंपेयर टू अदर कंट्रीज, people are participating sports in much actively way than ours. So it is very good, many people are investing their time, their money. As you can see in IPL also, sports को seriously लिया जा रहा है, but it should be in a very rapid way, because we have to go a long way now, क्योंकि अभी और भी आगे जाना है. इट्स नॉट कि गर्ल्स अभी आगे आई हैं, नहीं, both the genders should participated and should take part actively in any sports, and can move further in their life, and can motivate peoples who are not interested in taking part in sports or any other field. As you can see, business women are there, how top IS officers are there, many women is there. So it is like we should take some advices, we should get affected, or we should be motivated from that women's or that people, that we should reach some high, and we should prove our country also. Because Mary Kom, Saina Mirza, Saina Nehwal, and many other, Mithali Raj, like that, like them, we should also make something which will get affected, which will be profited in our society. Okay, so I think this is all about today, and we'll complete rest part of this chapter tomorrow. Okay, and later I'll complete exercise of this chapter also. So guys, I think after this you got a clear cut thing in your mind also, but it's an interview which we have to continue. Many more questions are asked from Mary Kom, and she gave the answers nicely. So we'll meet tomorrow, and please watch the video carefully, watch full video, and stay motivated from this video. Okay, so bye everyone, have a nice day to all.